When most people try to start a new exercise routine and it doesn't work out for them, they think it's because they lack motivation. But that's the wrong diagnosis. The real problem isn't motivation. It's the size of the habit. Exercise is one of the top healthy habits that new members want to build. But our exercise habits often fail, not because we lack motivation, but because the first step is simply too big. You see, habits form through repetition. If you only show up to the gym once a week, your brain simply doesn't get enough reps to automate the behavior. When we consistently do something, no matter how small it is, no matter how insignificant it seems, to our brain, it feels like a win. And those small wins, they build up the evidence that our brains need to build a new habit. Every time you follow through on even a small exercise plan, you're teaching your brain to believe, I'm someone who exercises, I'm an athlete. And that slight shift in identity makes the habit more self-sustaining, more durable. GLP-1s are great because they give us more mental bandwidth, and in that bandwidth, there's a window when we can build new habits. Exercise is one of them. And exercise can become a keystone habit, a small routine that triggers other positive changes in how we behave. So here's an idea for you. Don't commit to some huge exercise goal. Start with just one achievable win, one small thing that you do in the gym that feels like a victory. And if you can do it with a friend or a group, that's great, because community helps us believe in ourselves. Noom is built around helping people create small wins, find the communities that support them, and creating new habits that stick. So pick one small exercise habit today and share it with someone who will support you. And you'll find change becomes easier.